Are you a hardworking American? If so, you need to hear this, because today is all about you. Every day, you show up. You put in the hours, the sweat, the determination, and we see you. NESC is a staffing agency dedicated to honoring your commitment and supporting your growth. From the factory floors to the boardrooms, you are the backbone of America. You make businesses thrive and dreams come true. NESC connects talented workers like you with opportunities that can shape your future. On this Labor Day, we want to thank you for your hard work and dedication. We're here to help you reach your career goals and build strong communities together. So take a moment today to celebrate. You've earned it. Wishing you a wonderful holiday from all of us. Keep shining, and let's keep building the future hand in hand.